like those variations, yeah? All right, but to learn those, you gotta learn a regular windmill first. So, let's get it. Okay, first things first. The two freezes you wanna get very comfortable with are a turtle freeze and a baby freeze. Baby, turtle. If you don't know how to do those freezes, go look for another tutorial because I'm not about to teach that shit. Anyway. Okay, after you have those, now we need to get momentum, okay? So we're gonna practice swinging those legs. Swinging them things, them chicken wings. Let's do it. You're counterclockwise, you're gonna be doing the opposite of everything I'm doing, okay? So you're gonna be stabbing with your left hand, your left arm, and you're gonna be swinging with your left leg, okay? All right, so you got your leg movement down, right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna have to fold your arm, okay? This is what I mean. Your turtle, and you're gonna have to fold your arm like that, okay? And that's gonna give you that smooth transition onto your back. All right, so watch. But as soon as you get on your back, you have to reach on the other side like you want to go into another turtle freeze, okay? So it's like this. So you go boom, boom, like that. I just did the first step. I'm on my back, and I want to reach to the other side. All right? And now you're in the same position. You're in the same position you were in when you first started. So you just repeat the steps. It's like 5 easy steps. It's the freeze, your leg movement to get momentum, folding of your arm, and you're on your back, then you reach for the other side, all right? All right, so if this is your first power move, it's gonna feel weird because your body's never like done this before, but you'll get used to it and you'll start to feel it. I'm gonna show you all the steps, okay? Freeze. Your leg movement. Folding of the arms. Then reaching over. All right, let's try that one more time. Do it from a different angle. All right, so the freeze. Your legs. Fold your arm, then reach to the other side. All right, one more thing. So you wanna be high up on your back, like on your shoulders when you're doing mills, okay? Makes them look clean, and if you don't, you'll hurt yourself. You'll hurt your back. Trust me, you will. So stay high up on your back when you're doing mills, all right? Like your shoulder area, upper back. Yeah. Yo, it's pretty simple. Remember, with power, it's all repetition, man. Just keep practicing it, and you'll get it. All right, keep practicing, practice, practice, practice. All right, so I'm gonna show you what just a regular windmill looks like. Oh yeah. This is the foundational power move you need to learn all the power I did at the beginning of the video. So learn this, understand it. Oh, another thing. When you're doing a windmill, you want to use both legs. Windmills, if you have flares, they're the same thing as windmills. Windmills are flares on the ground. You're gonna realize that all power is connected. All right. So when flares, when you pick one leg up and you swing it through, and then that leg goes through, and then you have to like pull the other one. It's the same movement with windmills. When you swing this leg, all right, when you swing that leg, all right, you swing this one, swing it through, right here, right? Now this one's gonna pull. That one's gonna pull, all right? And then you're gonna start back. That's how you keep your momentum and you make it look clean and fast and pretty and all that good shit, all right? So get off your ass and go practice. Deuces.